to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you a few alternative brand for Shein. So yeah, I'm going to cover clothing, shoes, accessories, and few home decoration items and jackets, everything which I can cover in this video. I'll cover it, and yeah, you will guys know what are the alternative brands for Shein, and where you can find good stuff and stylish stuff basically, in a good price range in India. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So please don't forget to watch the video till the end because it's gonna be a long ass video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna show you this cute little dress. This is from Westside. So basically, Westside have a really good collection, and they're affordable as well. Makeup, they have their own makeup, they have home decorative items which are too good. You can check Westside out on their website, or you can go to any store near you, any Westside store near you. So yeah, and they have really good stuff, and this was just for rupees 1000, I guess. And yeah, this is so good, the material is so good, and this is so pretty. And one more dress I have from Westside. This just looks like one of the Shein dresses they have. This is such a cool hoodie dress for summers, and the color is so good, even the material is so good, and this was just for rupees 800. So you have to check Westside House out because they have really nice collection. And yeah, you can see how stylish this looks. This is how it looks like. It's funky, it's casual, and it's so good and affordable as well. The second option is obviously Myntra. Everyone shops on Myntra, and yeah, few of the brands I'll recommend you guys. Vidi, and this top is from them. It's such a cute top, and I'll insert a picture somewhere here, so that you can see how it looks. It looks so pretty in person, and the color, material, everything is good. Even the cost is so less. It was around 500 rupees. So yeah, it's a really cute top, so you should definitely check out this brand. And some of the brands like Sassafras and Dressbery are really good, so I'll link them below so you can check them out. They have really cute stuff, stylish. And for tops, you can go for Vidi. They have nice off shoulder and cut shoulder tops. I really like their tops. And Dressbery is basically for dresses. You can check out really pretty brands for jeans. So first brand I would say is Aeropostale, Incense, um, and Mango. These are few great brands for jeans. So this is the jeans from Incense. This is the bell bottom jeans, and it fits like a dream. I'm wearing this from 1 year and it hasn't loosed, not a bit. The material is so good. Even the jeans of Mangoes and Aeropostale are really good, like fitted. They're so good of that brand, so you can definitely check out. You can see this is so cute. I will insert a picture of this as well. Next brand we are talking about is Globus. You should definitely check out the ethnic collection. Even they have these cute skirts. This has been really popular on Shein. I got this from Globus, and this is so cute. Even this was on Shein, and on I got this from Globus. So yeah, it's cute. I'll insert a picture of this as well. So yeah, you can find alternatives of this of Shein in really different brands. So you have to check it out. You have to mix and match things. You will definitely find your perfect match. I got this really nice jacket from Globus. This is so cute. The jacket looks so pretty when you wear this, and it hasn't been worn off. I'm wearing this from past 2 years. This is such a good material. This is, and Globus is mid not affordable, but it has a mid-price range. So anyone who is interested can check Globus out. So yeah, let's go to the next brand. Sky. Lulu and Sky has great collection of footwears and cord sets. Even they have collection of jumpsuits. So you have to check that out. I have got this really pretty cord set. It's such a pretty cord set. It has this crop top which you can wear on anything, even on high-waisted jeans, like I said. So this is such a pretty top. You can definitely mix and match things and it will become stylish. And this is the skirt I have with this. This is a mesh skirt which has which has the inner part till here, and till this part it has mesh totally. So this looks so cute. You can wear it in different styles, and yeah, it will look so cool. Pair of footwears from Lulu and Sky. These are so good, and they have affordable. So do check out their footwear collection and their collection of cords and jumpsuits. They have really great collection of those. So yeah, moving on to the next brand, Max. If you want to get some really funky t-shirts, Max is really good for funky t-shirts or for any kind of t-shirt. So you can see this t-shirt. This has really pretty, even if it is plain, this has this bag going on which makes it looks really nice, really eye-catching. So yeah, this is really nice. The material is nice. So for t-shirt you can check Max out. Max has really good collection of t-shirts. So for accessories, I'll give you three options. First is Ajio. Ajio has really nice accessories. For silver jewelry, you can definitely check out Ajio, and so you can check Myntra out for jewelry. So first jewelry which I got from Myntra is this really cute earrings. You can see how cute these earrings are. So yeah, you can definitely check Myntra out for nice earrings. Ethnic is really great jewelry collection. So yeah, the first one is this one. This has kundan work into it, kundan, and then below are some pearls. Globus is my favorite jewelry brand. I mean, if you want to get some stylish jewelry, and but it is expensive. It's a bit expensive. So yeah, you can see this neck piece. It's from Globus, and this is such a pretty neck piece. I love it. And this is the earring. This was for 500-600 rupees, and it looks elegant on all western dresses, even on ethnic wear. This is such elegant earrings. The shine of it hasn't gone. I have it from past 3 years, and this looks absolutely new. So Globus is nice brand to check out for stylish accessories. Earring from Ajio. This is silver jewelry. As I said, Ajio has really good silver jewelry collection, so it's one of them. It has these multicolored things going on, so I really like it. So yeah, I love it. So you can try Ajio out. So yeah, with that my Shein alternative video completes, and hope you like it. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share it with your friends. And please tell me in the comment section below if you like the video. Please tell me in the comment section below, and yeah, I'll be making such videos regarding styling and styling tips in future. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.